Now our next topic is skewness and kurtosis. So first I will read and then I will explain, and I will also send the images. Recall that center value of a distribution is the value of the variable which represents the entire distribution. Means central tendency, measure of central tendency. This mean, median, mode is just a central value which from which we can, or which gives us a rough idea about the distribution. So if two or more distributions have the same central value, then it does not mean that they are alike. For example, here, these are the two distributions given. In these two distributions, see, the class interval is same but the frequency is different. Okay, and when you find its mean and median, or mean and standard deviation also, then you will find that the mean of this first and second observation is same. Okay, the mean of first observation is 15, the mean of second is also 15, the standard deviation is 6, and here also the standard deviation is 6. See, if mean and median both are same, then from standard deviation we can find out which distribution or which one is more consistent. Okay, but what if the standard deviation is also same? Okay, so in this case mean and standard deviation both are same. Okay, but it doesn't mean that they are, you know, they are exactly same. See, they are not actually. Here that the frequency is 10, but here the frequency is different. And when you plot a frequency polygon, you will find that, you will find from the frequency polygon also that actually it's not same, both are different. Okay, this first one is symmetric about the center. Okay, but this one is not symmetric. So this asymmetricity, okay, this asymmetricity means which is not symmetric. So this is called skewness. Okay, the first distribution is symmetrical about the central value, whereas the second distribution is asymmetrical or skewed. It follows from the above discussion that the measure of central value and dispersion are inadequate to describe a distribution completely. Measures of skewness and kurtosis help us to distinguish two or more distributions. See, if any two observation, if they have same mean, then we will find standard deviation, and standard deviation will tell us which is more consistent. Okay, which is more reliable. Now what if the standard deviation is also same? So this case, here mean and standard deviation both are same. So we need one more factor. Okay, what we are doing, why we are doing all this? To get accurate answer. Okay, to get exact. So this asymmetry is called skewness. So so many definitions, so many statisticians have given or described this skewness. So these are four definitions given by four different people. So I will share the definitions with you. So let us see the first definition. Skewness refers to the asymmetry or lack of symmetry in the shape of a frequency distribution. So whatever the asymmetricity, okay, this is known as skewness. So this asymmetricity is known as skewness. When a series is not symmetrical, it is said to be symmetrical, asymmetrical or skewed. Okay, when it is not symmetrical, it is called asymmetrical or skewed. So now we will study measures of skewness.